numbers. So first we will revise that what is an ascending order. Children, you have already learned how to arrange in ascending order. Only the difference is now we are doing it with greater numbers. So we will revise. So what is ascending order? So children, when the given numbers are arranged from the smallest to greatest number, the biggest number, that order is called ascending order. So for arranging, first we have to find out the smallest number, then the smaller one, and till we get the greatest number. So for doing that, first we will find out the place values of all the digits in all the numbers, and then we will arrange. Okay, so now the first number, I'm reading the numbers. First number is 982. Second number is 764. Third number is 501. Next number is 335. And the last number is 146. So now we will write the place values of these numbers. So first is 982. So 2 is at 1's place. 8 is at 10's place, and 9 is at 9 is at 100's place. This way we will write the place values of all the numbers. That is 100, 10's, 1's. 100, 10's, 1's. 100, 10's, 1's. 100, 10's, 1's. Okay, so children, so this way we have to write the place values of all the numbers. So now the method is, first we will compare all the digits given at 100's place. So in the first number, that is 982, which digit is at 100's place? Yes, it is 9. In second number, it is 7. In next number, it is 5. Then next it is 3, and at last it is 1. Okay, so now we will compare all these digits. So we have to arrange from smallest to biggest. So children, now tell me among these numbers, that is 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, which is the smallest number? Yes, it is 1. It is 1, children. So now we will write the answer. So the smallest number is 146. So this number will be written first because we are arranging from smallest to greatest. Now the next smaller number, the digits left are 9753. Next smaller digit is, yes, it is 3. So the next number is 335. Now the digits left are 5, 7 and 9. So again the next smaller number is, yes, 5. Digit is 5. So next smaller number is 501. Okay, now next the digits left are 9 and 7. Again between 9 and 7 the smaller number is 7. So next smaller number which you are going to write is 764. And at last the greatest number, the biggest digit here is 9 at 100's place. So the greatest number here is 982. So children, this way you have to arrange all the numbers from smallest to biggest, that is ascending order. So now you have got your order, that is 146, 335, 501, 764, and at last the greatest number, that is 982. Okay children, now we will learn how to arrange numbers in descending order. So what is descending order? It means to arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. You have already done you already know how to arrange numbers in descending order. Now we are doing with greater numbers. Okay, so here the numbers which you are going to arrange are, first number is 238, second is 585, third is 899, next is 167, and at last it is 920. So children, before we arrange the numbers, first we will write the place values of all the digits in all the numbers. Okay, so write the place values. Okay, now we have written the place values of all the digits in all the 5 numbers. Now next step is, children, you are we will find out the digit at hundreds place in all the numbers. So in first number, that is 238, the digit at hundreds place is 2, and at in second number, the digit at hundreds place is 5. The next number, it is 8. The next, it is 1, and in the last number, it is 9. So these are the digits given at hundreds place. Now we will compare these digits. So children, now tell me, among these digits, that is 2, 5, 8, 1 and 9, which is the greatest one? Which digit is the greatest? Yes, 9. So 9 is the greatest digit. So the number 920 is the greatest number. Now the digits left are 2, 5, 8 and 1. Now again, now we will find out the bigger number, the greater number among these. So among 2, 5, 8 and 1, which is the bigger one? Yes, it is 8. So children, 899 is the next bigger number. Now the digits left are 2, 5 and 1. So which is the greater one among these? Yes, it is 5. So 585 is the next greater number. Okay, now the digits left are 2 and 1. So which is the bigger one? Yes, it is 2. So next bigger number is 238. And the smallest digit left is 1. So 167 is the smallest number. So children, this way you are supposed to follow all the steps, and you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. That is from greatest to smallest.
And यहाँ पे let's take the first example. Circle the greatest number. Now these are 3 numbers given over here in a line, in a series, and randomly 3 numbers are taken. They are 3-digit numbers. और अब हम इसमें से चूज़ करेंगे the greatest number. So we have to follow one method that we have done before also in semester 1 book. You must be remembering it. You must remember it. And we have done the method like we have to see the place value of every number and every digit. So we are again starting from, see, 3-digit number has ones, tens and hundreds. It is like ones, tens and hundreds place. So first we are starting from hundreds place. So let's compare the 100-digit in all the 3 numbers. So 756 has 7 in hundreds place, 950 has 9 in hundreds place, and 954 has 9 in hundreds place. So 2 numbers are common over here, 950 and 954. These 2 numbers have 9 digit at hundreds place. So naturally 756 we will strike off. We are not taking this. अब हम कंपेयर करेंगे 950 and 954 में. So when the first digit, that is hundreds place, is common, we move on to the tens place. So let's see what is there at tens place in 950. It is 5. And 954 में again it is 5. Now this is same number that is common. So let's move on to the ones place. क्योंकि अब जब common digit होते हैं, we cannot compare them. So we have to keep on moving and see which digit is smaller or bigger क्योंकि हमें उसमें से अभी ढूंढना है ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. ऑलराइट, so let's see 950 में से the ones place has 0 and 954 में ones place पे है 4. So when we write like that, which number is bigger, 0 or 4? So naturally 4 is bigger. Very good. So that means 954 is the greatest number, biggest number. इन तीनों में 954 सबसे बड़ा है. Let's take one more example here. Again, three numbers are given, that is 809, 890 and 567. So let's see which is the greatest number again. सबसे बड़ा number. So अभी फिर से same method we are going to follow. Just compare the hundreds place of each number. So hundreds place में 809 पे 8 है, hundreds place में 890 में 8 है, and 567 has 5 in hundreds place. So 5 and 8 जब हम लिखेंगे तो 8 is bigger. So let's strike off 5 क्योंकि ये दोनों से छोटा है. So अब हम जब 8 is common in both the numbers, we will move on to the tens place. टेंस प्लेस में 809 पे 0 है एंड 890 पे 9 है. सो लेट्स कंपेयर एंड सी 0 and 9 which is bigger. 9 is bigger. So I'm putting this symbol of comparison, that is opening its mouth to the bigger number, that is 9. That means 890 is the greatest number. That is how you compare. That is easier way. Now again there is one more example and it is saying circle the smallest number. Now let's read out the numbers 867, 860 and 859. First we have to see the digit at hundreds place. So 867 has 8 and 860 has 8 and 859 has 8 again. So all the three digits are common in all the three numbers. So let's move on to the tens place. Tens place में 6 है first number पे, then second number पे भी 6 है and third number में भी at tens place it's 5. So 6 and 5, which one is bigger or smaller? अच्छा, इसमें छोटा कौन सा है? 5. तो देखिए, आई एम पुटिंग दिस सिंबल बिकॉज अगेन द सिंबल इज ओपनिंग इट्स माउथ टू द बिगर नंबर, दैट इज 6. तो 5 छोटा है. सो दैट मीन्स 859 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, क्योंकि इसके हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे दे हैव ऑल द थ्री डिजिट सेम डिजिट 8 एंड टेंस प्लेस पे 5 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट. इसमें तीनों में 5 छोटा है. 6 is common again in both the numbers and the other two numbers. So that is how it is seen that 859 is the smallest number. Let's move further. Again take one more example of circle the smallest number. Now इसमें है 678, 997 and 1000. So two numbers are of 3-digit number and the third number is of 4-digit number. So this is, first we will compare the hundreds place of first two numbers. First two numbers में 6 है and for first number पे 6 है and 997 the second number has 9 at hundreds place. और ये जो है 1000 it has 1 at 1000 place. तो इसमें क्या है, naturally 1000 is the biggest number, तो हम ये नहीं ले रहे हैं. We are comparing from the first two numbers because they are smaller than 1000. इसमें अब छोटा ढूंढना है तो आप लिखिए 6 and 9. Which one is smaller? छोटा ढूंढना है हमें, तो 6 is smaller because again the symbol is opening its mouth to the bigger number, that is 9. So 6 है, इसका मतलब the smallest number from all the three numbers is 678.